So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito tayo po ay magbibigay ng suggestion na trade kung paano po makakuha ng TNT. Ito nga pong si Stan Hydringer. So we will suggest po kabola a trade, then we will look about the two teams that will join the Dubai tournament. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito muna tayo kabola sa mga comments. Ronald Barbusidad, pa-shoutout sir. Again, salamat po sa continued support. Malyari Mascarinhas, pa-shoutout naman na Idol. Thank you so much. Regard to SMB getting the players they like. Sa North Part, just a matter of time na lang, Idol. We don't know when they will harvest Arvin, William, Cade, Evan, and Gio. Hintayin na lang natin, Idol. Again, I do not want that to happen, kabola. Sorry, Sir Malyari Mascarinhas, pero that will really hamper po, kabola, the goodwill na binibuild up na po ng Northport. And then of course, yun pong parity po ng liga. So sana hindi po mangyari. Victorina Villaluna, malakas na San Miguel sa ESL, magpatalo nakakahiya. Kaya ano ang problema na SMB sa coach ba o player? Laging tambak. Both. Kung sa International League po, both yung medyo may issue. Pero tingnan natin, di ba? Makasusunod din lang makipag-compete sa ESL, mas maging ayos na po sila kabola. Now, speaking of international competition, ito po yung dalawang team na sasali, no? Kabola dito po sa Dubai. First is of course the strong group who will try to take back the championship. Big time, big names. Ildefonso na unfortunately hindi po pa rin napapapirma o hindi pa nagkakaayos with Northport will be there. Renz Abando kabola will be there kabola. Ito Abando, hindi ko alam kung ano naging mga desisyon sa buhay. Now the import po currently na sure sila is itong si Blatch and then si Kwame. Now, hintayin natin kabola kung sino po yung mga big time nilang import. Brickman is also back here kabola that we are still waiting na sana kabola is makasali po sa ating pong PBA draft. Interesting din yung isang team kabola kasi ito po they will parade a 7-5 import, then they also have Malik Joff kabola, a successful UAAP import, Sam Digara, diba? Talagang exciting. And of course Kit Jimenez will be there, Tolomia will be there kabola, Padriaga will be there. So again, an interesting team din kabola na abangan natin. Between the two teams, of course, strong group pa rin po yung mas malakas. Tignan natin kung they will end up with a better result than ito nga pong sa Zamboanga Valientes. Now, Northport kabola, after the big win against Ginebra, which for me is really big, they now hope that it will banish the farm team perception kabola, diba? Well, yun na yung talagang sinasabi nila ngayon dito para by head coach Bonitan. For me naman, I never question Coach Bonitan. Coach Bonitan has proven himself to be a great coach. Champion na po yan sa NCAA kabola. And now he's showing it again kung gaano po siya kagaling na coach with what he's doing with this squad kabola. So for me, it's good that he finally spoke up. Although di niya actually literal lahat na sinabi yung farm team kabola. Pero still, diba? It's good that they are, of course, trying to point that way, diba, kabola? Kasi it will be really good if suddenly they become serious. Pero of course, we do not expect that. Kasi connected pa rin po sila in terms of their company dun po sa San Miguel Corporation. Now, ito po yung trade po na isasuggest natin, kabola. Para makuha po ng TNT, ito pong si Stan Hydringer. TNT will receive Stan Hydringer Nonoy and 2 second-round picks. And Terra Firma will receive the rights to Mikey Williams and JP Eram. So, paano ba explain to kabola? Of course, Eram for Stan Hydringer for me is a clear victory for TNT. Of course, assuming that Stan Hydringer is willing to play at least 2 to 3 more years, di ba? That is the case, kabola, panalong-panalo po doon sa straight swap ang TNT. On the other hand naman, trade wherein makuha ng Terra Firma si Mike Williams for Mike Nonoy and 2 second-round picks is clearly a victory naman kabola for Terra Firma kabola, diba? With an assumption that babalik din po si Mikey Williams. So if that is the case then kabola, then pagsamahin mo na lang sila sa Eagle trade. So in this one, TNT will get a good point guard in Nonoy, they will get Stan Hydringer kabola, then 2 good second-round picks. Again, yung mga second-round picks sa Terra Firma, malamang top 3 yan second round. And yung mga ganong picks kabola, naman natin solid pa rin yung mga yon. So overall for me, this is a good one. Terra Firma will get 2 good pieces that they can of course trade again, while TNT will get the pieces that they need to continue competing. Kung mga bar sa Pokemon, sino panalo sa trade nito? Comment lang po sa baba.